Good day everyone, you are welcome to this tutorial channel. I am Peter Emanje Adaviruku. At Geojay Solution, we offer services in installation, training, data collection, data cleaning, data integration, and data analysis. Today I want to show you how to add data of different formats into QGIS. You have data that are in different formats. What is the approach of adding them to QGIS? Please remember to subscribe to my channel. Help me to grow this channel. Thank you. So let's go to QGIS interface. Before then, I want to show you something. So the data we want to add, you can be adding vector data or adding raster data, or you can be adding text points data. So let's see how we can add this data to QGIS interface. Let's deal with this first one, adding vector data. And the vector data can be in form of points, line, or polygon. And the format of this vector data can be in shapefile, JSON, or any other shapefile format. How do we add it? So let's read this number one. Let's go back to our QGIS interface. To add a vector data, what to do is either you can use this button to add them, or you come to normal menu bar to go to layer. When you click on layer, you see add layer, then you select the format you want to add. In this case, we are dealing with vector. The first one is vector. See it, vector, you click on vector layer. So when you click on vector layer, it will display a canvas to ask you where the folder, the data is located. So now you browse, use this icon to browse to your folder where it is located. So let's browse to our folder to add vector data. So in this case, let me use a particular shapefile for demonstrations. Let's say I want to add Benue. So I want to add Benue LGA shapefile. Let's say I want to also add Benue linear feature, Benue road, and I also want to add Benue towns as points. Benue town as points. So you click on open. So when you click on open, you click here add. So when you click on add, it will take few seconds to add it to the interface of QGIS. So it has been added. You click on close. So let's bring this one down. So you can see now that the point data has been added. The point data, which is shapefile, has been added. Similarly, the line data, this one, has been added as well. And of course, the shapefile has been added. So this is how to add vector layer to QGIS. So number two is how do we add raster data? And the raster data can be in TIF, it can be Jpeg, it can be in any raster formats. So how do you add it to QGIS interface? So to do that, let's go back to our QGIS interface. So to add raster data, so what to do, you can click on this button, or you come back to this layer and click on add layer. Click on add raster layer. Click on add raster layer. So when you click on that, adding raster layer, so you navigate to the folder where the raster layer is. In this case, the raster I want to use for demonstration is my exercise folder. So I'm using this Zongeru Northeast, and it's a JPEG, it's in JPEG format. So click on this and click on open. So then you click on add and you wait for a few seconds, then you click on close. So now you can remove the former one you added. Remove this, removed. Okay, then zoom to layer. So this is it. This is the raster we have added. So this is how to add raster, and of course it can be in TIF, can be JPEG. Once it is raster, this is the approach in QGIS to add it to the interface of QGIS. So number 3 now. Number 3, what if it is a text point data in form of CSV, Excel? How do you add it to QGIS interface? Now you have to prepare your data. Let me just remove this. Okay, to prepare your data, for example, let's assume you have a point feature data in form of in Microsoft Word. So what you do is you highlight it and copy, then you go to Excel, then paste it. So you know there are points and there are latitude and longitude. They are in text form, so you have to convert it to a format that is compatible with any ArcGIS, any GIS software you want to use. So after you have pasted it in Excel, then you click on File to save it. Click Save As. Then you navigate to the folder where you want to save it. Let's still save it in our exercise folder, and let's call it points data. Then here, this is where you choose the format you want it to be, and you choose it a format that is compatible with the software you want to use. Let's use this one, CSV, comma delimited, and we have named it point data. So you click on save, and you click on OK, and you click on yes. So you have saved it as a CSV. So now let's go to our QGIS interface. So to add this, it's in CSV format. It's an XY data now. So what to do is that you come to layer and you come to add layer. Then you now say add delimited text layer. Add delimited text layer. That's what you click. Then you click here to navigate to the folder where it is on our exercise folder, and we name it point data. You click on it and you click on open. When you click on open, make sure that the CSV here is checked because they are the formats we are using. Then X field, make sure you choose longitude, and Y field latitude, let it correspond. So then you choose your geometry CRS. Then here is preview of the data you want to add. Then you click on add. When you click on add, it will take few seconds. Okay, it has been added. Then you close and you click on close. So you can see now our data, point data in CSV format, has been added to the QGIS interface. Thank you for watching this video. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.